Microsoft's Excel 2016 is a spreadsheet software program which is very useful for compiling and analyzing large amounts of data. Hi, my name is Alex Burke, and this video is about one of many interesting tips and tricks for using Excel 2016 called the sort and filter function to analyze data. To demonstrate the sort and filter function, I'll use a table from the State of California Employment Development Department, or EDD. EDD's primary purpose is to connect job seekers and employers. In addition to many other services it provides, the EDD maintains employment records for more than 17 million California workers. These employment records include a county-by-county database of occupations, wages, and education requirements, among other information. This table from EDD lists those occupations with the most job openings for Riverside and San Bernardino counties. When trying to find specific information from such a large table of data, it can be useful to filter the data. For example, if I were trying to decide on a college major, I might want to know which occupations pay the most money. That is, those with the highest median annual wages. You could just start looking at a table and try to manually sort it. That's going to take some doing, a little bit of time. But a much easier, faster, and more accurate way to find this information would be to use Excel's sort and filter function. For this video, to make it easier to use sort and filter, and since I'm only interested in finding those occupations with the highest wage, I have copied and pasted the first 5 columns of the original table onto a new worksheet. I also had to unmerge any merged columns because merged cells need to be the same size for sorting, and it was easier to unmerge the cells than to make them all the same size. The sort and filter function can be accessed by clicking on the Data tab. Next, select those cells that contain the data you want to filter and sort. To find the occupations with the highest wage, I need to select columns A through E. And not just B and E, because it's not possible to filter multiple ranges, which is what I would be trying to do if I only selected B and E. Next, click the filter, and arrows appear at the top of each column. Since I am interested in finding out which occupations have the highest median annual income, I click on the arrow for that column. And then I select Sort Largest to Smallest to reorder the table in descending order from the highest wage job, almost $91,000, general and operations managers, to the lowest wage job, between $18,000 to $19,000 for waiters and waitresses. Now I can see that if I want to make a starting salary of at least $40,000, which is right about this line here, let me just zoom in so you can see it a little easier. So right about here, and that's truck drivers, I believe. But if I want to go to college and I'm looking for a college major, I should consider majoring in operations management, business administration, nursing, elementary education, or perhaps accounting. This concludes my video on sort and filter. I hope you found it useful and may enjoy many happy and productive hours of data mining. Thanks for watching.